Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video we have seen about working with the Bootstrap code, that is the code, that is the starter template and anything that you want from the getbootstrap.com, how to use that particular thing in your HTML pages. So let me show you again. I'm just running this particular project and opening this in link in Chrome. So this is the normal page that we have here, and this is the Bootstrap page that we have here. So this is the Bootstrap page that we have, and this is the normal page that we have here. Today I'll be showing you how to work with buttons using a Bootstrap code. So now let me stop this particular project and create a new project. So I'm creating that particular project name as DJ4 and app4. I'll click on create and it will automatically create the project for us. So the project is getting ready here, as you can see. So the project is now ready, guys. You can do changes to the project. So first of all, let me import OS here. So I have successfully imported OS in settings.py. Now in urls.py, we'll add a path called as empty path here. Views.button. We'll be working with button today, as I've told you. Alt enter, import this name, app4.views. Then again on button, Alt enter, create function. So here I'll just put render request, comma, you can give any name, guys, my html.html. Alt enter, create that particular file. Yes. So you can find all this code that is being done here in my GitHub profile, guys. If you need any assistance, you can find it in my GitHub profile. So now I'll copy the starter template from Get Bootstrap. Into the documentation section, and once you go into the documentation section, we'll copy the starter template here. I'm just pasting that particular code there and clicking yes to so that it will be uploaded on my GitHub. Now I'll change this title to Programming with Gautam. After that, I'll remove this h1 tag here and I'll write some code there. I'll write in h1, click on the below button. Okay. Now I'll give a button tag here, view button. In that button, I'll give type submit on click equals to alert. I'll show some message here, that is don't click on the button again. Okay, I'll give do not click because that is the single quote is clashing there. Now I'll close this button tag here and give the button name as click there. Click me. Okay. Now I'll just run this project here. I'll open it with the Bootstrap. You can see this is the h1 that we have here. And once I click on this, it will show me do not click on the button again. As you have given in the alert box there, it is showing that particular thing. So with the help of this particular button, guys, I have shown you how to click on that particular button and show this alert box here. Similarly, I'll show you another thing, that is, I'll open a new H2 tag there, click on the below button to redirect to open my YouTube channel. Okay, so here I have to give some form tags here. Action equals to this particular thing. I'll give a button here. Type equals to submit, and I'll give YouTube button here. So when I go onto the page and refresh it, so this particular button will redirect you to the YouTube page, my YouTube page here. Okay. So similarly, we can also give it to my GitHub profile, that is my GitHub profile. I'll github.com/kgautham1995. So this is my GitHub account. So I'll show you all different types of headings that we have in this thing. So if I change in one place, it is automatically changing in the other place. As you can see, I have not changed it here, but it has automatically changed there. GitHub. Okay, in the same way, I'll create another one. Go to the next. I'll give H4, and I'll give Twitter here. Twitter or my Instagram. I'll give. So Instagram also is same, guys. The other part, that is this thing, the username is same for all my accounts. Now similarly, I'll give H5 there with the Twitter. I just need to change Twitter here. Sorry guys, typo. Okay. So now when I go back to this particular page and refresh it, as you can see, this is the H1 tag here. Then this is H2. This is H3, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 here. So similarly, we have heading 6 as well. So whenever you click me, it will show you don't click on the button again. It shows an alert box there. This redirects to the YouTube page, as you can see. And this redirects to my GitHub page. This redirects to my Instagram page. And this redirects to my Twitter page. Okay guys. So hope you have understood how to use the buttons and the use of GitHub using a Django project. So this is just the practice, guys, so that you'll be habituated to different types of things in the project. So hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.